So next we're gonna go down this street. So we're just gonna follow this kind of path. It's a nice kind of evening time. We're just gonna give you a little context. So we got some water over there. We got Zhuhai, China. Got a kind of a waterfront all the way down that way. But we're gonna be heading down this way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's head on down. So we just did that waterfront down this way, and we're gonna kind of head down this way. Try to keep the camera steady. You got some kind of cool stuff like this. So there's lots of places to sit in this little plaza right here, and there's some artwork there too. You can see the artwork right there. And we're gonna stroll all the way down. See what else we can see. So we're gonna see a lot of little stuff like this. It goes out to the water. Now we're kind of at some shops. But some of these we'll see little like little benches and little other little outlets into the water like that. More outlets to the water. Homes. Outlets to the water. Homes. And then yeah, this one, there's some nice businesses over here too. We're gonna be going by those in a second anyways. Then on the other side we have houses and temple. And we got a boat. Okay, let's see, this one I think has some pretty cool stuff in it. Let's kind of take a look, brief look into this one. This one, if we can go all the way down, you can kind of see that they have like a little thing all the way down, so you can see the water all the way down that direction. But we're not going to go all the way in. And that's all the fresh fish right there. We're going to keep on walking down. Okay, so yeah, getting a little taste for this main street right here. Temple right here. Did capture that before. That's a nice little balcony. I remember seeing it before. Huh. Yeah, there's actually, I always like that little balcony. It's like there's like somebody who lives there. Two people. We're just going to come out to the end over here and we'll end the video shortly. This is usually a lot more, so usually we'll have this all the way up, right? So, and all the different hooks. And now we're out this spot. There's more over that way. And then this one is the Pont Cache de Coloane. I think we have to do a code thing. If we don't, we'll just walk all the way out. It's another kind of selling thing over there. Yeah, it looks like we don't have to do the code thing, so good. It's gonna go all the way to the end. Then we'll finish this particular film. And we're overlooking China, Zhuhai. You see a McDonald's over there. And over there is the University of Macau, which has connected to Macau jurisdiction. This is kind of, take a look at this. Look at those barnacles, wow. Okay, let's head on straight forward. just kind of see, now you can see, oh, there's got a fishing pole right there. And right there you can see the Galaxy Casino. So that's kind of the Cotai strip right there. Galaxy, and you can't really see a little bit of Venetian. That's like the financial district of Hengqin, University of Macau, right there. And that's like a border right there. So there's a border for the university. There's a little channel too. So that is all Macau jurisdiction. There's a bridge or a tunnel that goes underneath. Now you can see that little spot that we were at. Oh, that's one of the spots we went around right there. It's gonna walk down a little bit, and now you'll be able to see both of our boardwalks. So you'll see the Zhuhai China side on that side, and then the Macau Coloane side. That mountain up there is like a little bit of a cemetery. You can see a bunch of people eating right here. So yeah, these kind of overlook, and there's like kind of a beach. So some of these homes and restaurants and businesses have access to the beach right there. That's a boardwalk all the way down that way. And then over on that side, that's all Macau side, and that's all China side. So China, I can see some Chinese lanterns, looks like. Some red, looks like red and white, a little bit. So yeah, basically that's all Zhuhai, China. And there's some ferry terminals too, so I guess they bring people here. I'm not sure where they come from exactly. We can't get on that side, so if you're on the Macau side, you need a China visa to get over there. And right now, the COVID era, it's really difficult to go back and forth if you're non-Chinese. If you're Chinese, you can go back and forth easily. But right now, it's the COVID era. So anyways, it's a little taste of Macau for you. Doing some fishing there. So we're gonna head back this way. And Pont Cage de Coloane. So we're gonna end this right here, I guess.